guys get your swimsuits on and we'll go eat breakfast. We'll go swimming? Okay, let's go eat breakfast. Everyone brush your teeth and get your swimsuit on. Callie, what you doing? Watching some Mickey? Stella, you hungry? You guys eating wheat thins for breakfast?
No,
Do you want a granola bar?
No.
Did you sleep good?
I slept good.
Libby, I heard you singing early in the morning.
Yeah, because no one is awake and
Yeah, we could all hear you though. Good thing Livy slept out here alone because she was up early singing. All right, we are ready to go. Girls have their new matching swimsuits on.
You can't,
Callie, your mask matches.
you can't even see my face.
There's your
upside
face.
down.
Hi, this is his old swimsuit and he actually matches, so it works out perfect. Just a lot easier to spot them. Anyway, we're gonna head down, get some breakfast, and then go right into the swimming, I guess. Or maybe we can convince the kids to do some bowling before we get all wet.
No.
We'll see, but it's another full day of fun and we're taking you along with us.
Yeah.
Campfire Kitchen is what's for breakfast. Let's go check out what they have. There's more. One of these. Yeah, here. All right, we got the breakfast buffet and it's lots of food. All right, there's so many activities to do. We're gonna come back and do that, but you have to have closed-toe shoes. We're gonna come back and do the arcade when we bring our wallet. So I think we're gonna start out in the pool and then come back and do some activities. All right, we're back in the pool. The girls are gonna do this fun little log thing across the water. We got the lazy river we gotta do. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides to do. All right, Hallie's up first. See how fast you can go. Go! All right, you did it. Good job.
Well, I'm perfect.
Okay. Hey, Liv. Okay, this might be a struggle. Stand up.
want to get on the tube. She just wants to go by herself. Is this the Bear River Run?
Yep. Are you ready for me? Here we go. Have you been on any of these?
We're going on Diamondback.
Have you been on all of them? Okay. Diamondback is up first, Ty says. There's two right here, but we're going up one more staircase.
What?
All right.
What?
All right.
What?
All right.
The other one.
We're not in that lane. We can do that next. Allie does not want to go on this ride. Why don't you want to go on this one?
Because it has a drop.
But drops are fun. You ready? It'll be fun. I'll be right there next to you, okay? Okay, I'll go backwards. Excited? She does this every time. It'll be fun. Here we go. Are you ready? Should be fun. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Hey, I'm backwards. Tell me what's coming. Don't know. That was a good one! Woohoo! That wasn't scary, right? How was it? Were you scared?
I thought it was a bigger drop.
Yeah. I don't even know really what happened. I was backwards. So, do you want to go on this yellow one?
Yeah.
Hi, Hallie, you ready? Rainbow one, here we come.
If you're looking for some closer, I tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster.
Good one, right? Hallie, have you done these ones?
Yes.
Yes? So we're going to try it. My first time. Which one are we going on first?
The one that has a drop.
The one that has a drop. Here we go.
Everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
All right, Libby, it's your turn. You're gonna go on the big slide. Oh, are you ready? You ready, Libby? She looks scared, but she shouldn't be. It's gonna be fun.
Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, 'cause you know this party won't stop.
They're coming?
We can never run out of time. You know I wanna share with you. If you're looking for some closer, I tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide.
Awesome.
All right, guys, I think but she doesn't want to. Blue? Okay, let's go.
Gotta get it
Sit
right
down.
now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
I think she liked it. She's gonna come back. Wasn't that fun? Okay, she's good now.
Gotta get it right now.
Yes, she's not doing that one. There goes Hallie.
Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now. Get it right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now.
Go, Stella! Woo! No, she doesn't want to do it. Not sure why. Good job, Hallie. Woohoo! Yes, Stella! You did it! So on that one, I think she goes underwater more on the green. I guess time for a little treat. Dippin' Dots. Some ice cream? Ice cream. Oh yeah, dig in, girl. Go for it. Oh, is it cold? We got cookie dough and rainbow sherbet, I think.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
One more treat of the day. We've got some churros and chocolate sauce. Guys in heaven. It's about 5:30 almost. We're gonna hit one more slide and then call it a day. Last one of the day. Ready? Let's do this. Fast ride we're back at the room. The girls have already showered. Okay, kids are running down the hall. So is Marcos. He's a kid at heart. And half of us are in pajamas, half of us are in clothes. Everyone took a shower, didn't have time to get in and wash my hair, so I'm looking like this. Anyway, who cares, right? We are headed down to go bowling, and then we'll take it from there. Kids want to hit the candy shop. A couple of them want to rock climb. So there's all these fun activities we haven't had a chance to do yet because they wanted to be at the water park all day. So not really sure what we're doing for dinner yet, but we'll wrap up this night and take you along with us with whatever we do. All right, 10 paw. We got these cute little balls and we're gonna bowl. Okay, Stella, go. Woo! Woo, Stella! Good job! You did good! You did good, honey! Woohoo! Alright, Liv, are you ready? Hey, no, walk all the way up to the line and push the ball down. There you go. Woohoo! One more time, Liv. Alright, Hallie's up. Woo! Yeah, use those bumpers. Oh, nice. Hallie's mad because she didn't get them all down, but you've got 10 more times to try. Woo! Mom didn't get one. Should I go pout in the corner? Try this again. I got one. I think it's because I'm holding the camera. It's probably hard. Or I just suck, whatever. All right, Ty got a strike last time and I missed it. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Not bad, not bad. Woo. Okay, Stella, it's your turn. Are you ready?
You ready?
So excited. do his stuff. Me and Dad are on a team. Oh yeah, like it ain't no thing. Oh no. Alright, I missed it. Hallie got all but one. Can she do it? Can she do it? Oh, so close. Good try. Alright, let's see if I can do this holding the camera again. Right down the middle. Oh! Tie with 110. Stella 69. Livy 64, Hallie 89, and Mom and Dad 86. Thanks to Stella on a few. She did a few for us. Alright, that was fun! Alright, kids have been begging. We walked by yesterday, but we didn't get to come in and get something. We're gonna go into the candy shop. Oh, a fruit pack? Is this the one you want? Out of all these treats, she wants a fruit pack. Chocolate! Oh, that's a good one.
So it looks like Hallie is the only one that wants to go on this ropes course.
Before, everyone else wanted to go on it except for me.
Well, what changed? Are you not scared anymore?
It looks so fun.
It does look fun. I think you can do it. Go all the way to the top, okay? All right, Hallie. So we got down here, and what did they say about the ropes course?
It closed at 7.
Yeah, they closed at 7. They are done for. So this fun little thing, not little, but it closed at 7 o'clock. It's like 7:45. So we are choosing to do some mini golf. Who's gonna win? Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Oh, we finished the golf game. Who won? Hallie wins. Ty.
That's because I got it in the bucket.
We didn't keep score, but yeah, you got that last. I didn't get it on film, but you got it in the bucket.
It bounced all around and then it went in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who got the hole in one? Was that Ty?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. Okay, we're off to eat some dinner, right?
Yeah.
Alright, our favorite pizza, and it came out. We already ate all the salad, which is so good. Every single kid eats this pizza. So good. Even Livy, our pickiest eater. She even loves the salad. Oh yes, thank you. Well guys, that's the fastest we've ever eaten pizza. 1, we're freezing, but 2, we were hungry. How many did you eat?
5.
Livy, how many did you eat?
3.
3? How many?
3 and 4.
3, 4. I had 2, so you had the rest. And Stella, how many did you have? 2. All right, we made it back home. We all ran away from Livy.
Yeah. That was funny.
Do you get it, Livy? Do you get it?
No.
We were running down the hall and Livy was slow, so we acted like we were running away from her, but she didn't care. Anyway, looks like Stella's ready for bed. All right, we're gonna wrap up this night. Maybe watch a movie, maybe play some games, maybe have some treats.
Right.
Everyone got their candy from the candy shop.
Yeah.
I'll take you to the candy shop. Livy, you know it. Jojo, you guys haven't checked out that vlog last year. No, 2 years ago, we took Hallie and Livy to a JoJo Siwa concert.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's JoJo! La la la, la 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 la. Stella, are you sucking your thumb or are you dancing? All right, Liv, sing it.
Like a kid in the candy store.
Whoa, getting crazy. Stella, are you ready for bed?
Come on, come on.
Are you ready for bed? All right, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you liked this surprise for the kiddos, this quick little weekend getaway to the Great Wolf Lodge. We had a great time, right, guys?
Yeah, it's so fun. You should come here.
You should come here. It was super fun. We would highly, highly recommend it. Super kid-friendly. All the staff was super nice. And just all the food, the restaurants, like the people around. It's just catered to kids. So I would highly recommend it, totally worth it. And still sleeping. So that's all from Life as We Gomez. We'll see you guys next time. Who am I?
One.
One of those humans.
Humans? What about humans? Wait.
Ariel?
You got it! You get your candy! Let me fall asleep. Who wants to play Disney Trivia? Alright, we're ending the night playing some Disney Trivia. Who's ready?
Me.
Who's ready?
Me.
Who's ready?
Me. Sure.
Oh wait, let's show everyone what candy you got. What'd you get?
I got a push pops.
What is it? Just sugar?